guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something super interesting. So we're doing romantic names for women in Igbo language. Isn't that interesting? I think it's interesting because with these tips right here, you have your girl on lock. So we're just gonna dive right into it. So the first one that comes to mind is Nkem. Nkem literally means my own. Nkem, my own. The second one is Odimnobi. Odimnobi, it means the one in my heart. Odimnobi. I'm going to write it down so you guys see the way it's spelled. Odimnobi. The third one is Asampete. Asampete Nwanyi Oma. Asampete. It just means beautiful girl. Asampete. The fourth one that comes to mind is Enenebe jolo. So it means if I start looking at you, baby, I won't go to work again. But my brother, you gotta go to work. Joro. So Enenebe jolo. So there is Omalicha Nwa. Omalicha Nwa. Omalicha Nwa. It means beautiful girl. Omalicha Nwa. There's Egovin. Egovin means beautiful girl. Egovin. So there's Nwa jimaru obodo oyibo. Nwa jimaru obodo oyibo. It means the baby I am going to use and know the abroad, to go to the abroad. There's Idikacho. Idikacho. Omalicha Nwa. Idikacho. It means you look like what we want. You look like what is wanted. Idikacho. Nwa amuru Ubochi Uka. Nwa amuru Ubochi Uka. This one means this baby girl, you were giving birth to on a Sunday. Sunday morning to be precise. Nwa amuru no Ubochi Uka. Then there's this particular one everybody knows. Baby Oko. Baby Oko. Baby Oko. This literally means baby on fire. Baby girl, you are on fire. Fire. That's a very simple one. And a very common one at that. So, my guys, take notes. Obidia. Obidia. It means her husband's heart. Obidia. Obidia, it means her husband's heart. Oriaku. This name is deep and it has sweet meaning. Oriaku. It means, baby girl, you are here to chop wealth. That is all you do. Sit down and chop wealth. Oriaku. That's why you are here. That is it. Oriaku. There's Akwanwa. Akwanwa. It means, literally, aqua is like egg. And then it's like baby, like you're so precious. It's like egg. Akwanwa. And there's Udara Micha. So Udara is a fruit in, what is that Udara in English? I don't know. Udara, well, it's Udara Micha because Udara is sweet and you're just like licking your Udara. So you just say, baby, you're so sweet like this Udara. Udara Micha. So Udara. Then there's Ihunaya. 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 onye'm, baby. Ihunaya. Ihunaya, it means my love. My love. Ihunaya. That's an interesting one. So some people say Ihunaya onye'm. So it's like my love, the one in my heart. Nwanyi Oma. It means good woman, beautiful woman. Nwanyi Oma. And there's this one that people, you know, my Onitsha people, hello, they usually say pinging baby, like pinging. Baby, you are pinged up. Like when they call you a pinging baby, you know that you're a correct babe. Like you're just looking set. You know, you're just pinging. Igbo man, you are not normal. Ezigbo Nwanyi. Ezigbo Nwanyi. Good woman. Ezigbo Nwanyi. Then there's this beautiful one. I actually like this one. Anyanwu Ututu. Anyanwu Ututu. It means the sun in the morning, the bright sun in the morning. Anyanwu Ututu. So all my ladies out there, you are one special Anyanwu Ututu. Then there's Ihunaya Ndu'm. Ihunaya Ndu'm. Ihunaya Ndu'm means the love of my life. Hi, baby, bust my head. The love of my life. It's okay. Hi, baby, it's okay. When they say baby, it's okay, it means baby you're alright. Baby, you are okay. Like baby, you're just set. What I go, baby, you're just okay. Baby, they're okay. This one, when I hear sometimes I get angry. Not angry, like I'm just like some people are just mad. Ogwu obara. Ogwu obara literally means blood tonic. So this man is telling you, baby girl, you're my blood tonic. Without you, I don't have blood in my veins. Without baby, I need you to have blood. You know. I give you hand like this. In fact, all men that are married to Igbo women, jump on board because you need this. When your wife is vexing, you just say, baby, you're my blood tonic. If you vex for me, I will faint though. I won't have any more blood. So osom means something that is sweet. So osom, like my sweet. So it's like sweetim in sweetie, like osom. Sweetie. Hi guys, this one is deep and very, very serious. Omauma Asa Aru. Guys, if a man stops you and says to you, "Ne, Ibo Omauma Asa Aru," do you know what that means? This man is telling you, girl, you don't need to shower. You're not supposed to bath. Baby girl, you are just bathing for fun because whether you bath or not, you are set. Hi, this guy is telling you, baby girl, even when you don't bath, you're too fine. Baby, you're too fine. Child. Please, everybody should shower. Please. Omauma Asa Aru is just a pet name. It doesn't mean you should not shower. Then there's Nwa. Nwa literally means baby. Nwa. Nwa. That's just it, like Nwa, baby. You know, you can call your child Nwa, and you know, you can call your baby Nwa, like baby. Baby girls, when a man calls you kpakpando, kpakpando, guy, a man is calling you kpakpando, baby girl, it means that you're the star of his life. Without you, there is no star. So baby girl, kpakpando, my kpakpando, ina kpakpando. That means, baby, you are shining like a star. Ina kpakpando, you are shining like a star. You are a kpakpando. Baby girl, that's the compliment. Take it and bag it in your bag. Nwa di Obi'm, the girl that is good to my heart. Baby, you are good to this man's heart. You know, you are sweetening the heart. Child, baby girl, don't killing me. Aye. Guys, for now, like, this is all I remember. I mean, there's so much more, literally, like, so much more, you know. So I might have a part 2 of this. I'll try and write down the next one so that I don't, like, forget. So I'll try and write it down, and I'll come on the channel and I'll read it out and I'll tell you what it means. And yeah, so thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Guys, please comment. You should comment, engage me in the comment section, guys. Like, comment, and please, the ones that you learned, comment it down. Comment what you learned today. You know, comment the one you just, guys, engage me now. Hustle, engage, like, comment, share, subscribe, everything. Let us move this ministry ahead. This YouTube thing, it's not easy. Who sent me? Very much for your time, and I'll see you in my next video. I might have a part 2, or the part 2 will be for the names you call Igbo men. all my Igbo men, please be around for part 2 because we are coming with the ginger. Hey.